this real? Look at this. Oh gosh, I feel like I should give them something. I'm afraid if I move, they're gonna fly away. Okay, I'm gonna try to get up. I wanna give them some bread. Oh guys, don't fly away. Don't fly away. Oh, birdies. Pretty birdies. Look at these birdies. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're freezing. Oh my goodness, guys. I don't know what to give them. I guess I give them bread. Oh, they're so cold. I'm gonna give them some bread. I'm gonna have to put my phone down. Shoot. All right, if I give them bread, I'll come back. I'll do another one. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm gonna give them some bread. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I wish I could keep them warm. Oh, birdies. How could I keep them warm? Okay, I'm gonna get them some bread though.